Mastering Happiness, the Watermelon Lesson Story. In a small village, there was an elderly man known for his wisdom and contentment. Despite his humble circumstances, he always wore a broad smile and had a calm, happy demeanor. People would often visit him, seeking the secret to his happiness. One day, a young man from the village, troubled by life's hardships, approached the wise man. "Why are you always so happy?" he asked. "Life has its struggles, yet you remain content. How do you do it?" The wise man listened carefully and then invited the young man to join him on a walk. They wandered through the village until they reached a small garden where a large, ripe watermelon sat on the vine. The wise man picked the watermelon and handed it to the young man. "Take this and enjoy it," he said with a smile. The young man, puzzled but obedient, took the watermelon home. He marveled at its vibrant red flesh and juicy texture as he sliced it open. He took a bite and was overwhelmed by its sweetness and refreshing taste. For a moment, he forgot all his worries and was filled with simple joy. The next day, the young man returned to the wise man and thanked him for the watermelon. "It was delicious, and for a moment, I felt truly happy," he said. The wise man nodded and replied, "You see, happiness is like the sweetness of that watermelon. It's found in appreciating the simple pleasures life offers. When you focus on the present moment and savor what you have, you realize that happiness isn't something to chase but something to experience." He continued, "Just as the watermelon had to be nurtured and waited for, so does happiness. It takes patience, care, and the ability to enjoy the small things. Life will always have its difficulties, but like the sweetness in the fruit, happiness is always there, waiting to be tasted." The young man left with a new understanding. He realized that happiness wasn't about achieving great things or avoiding difficulties but about finding joy in everyday moments, much like savoring a sweet watermelon on a hot day. From then on, whenever he felt overwhelmed, he would remember the watermelon lesson, reminding himself to pause, appreciate the present, and find happiness in the simple joys of life. Contentment meaning, a state of happiness and satisfaction. Example, the wise man's contentment was evident in his calm smile. Circumstances meaning, the conditions or facts affecting a situation. Example, despite his humble circumstances, the wise man was always happy. Demeanor. Meaning, a person's outward behavior or manner. Example, the man's cheerful demeanor attracted people seeking advice. Marveled meaning, to be filled with wonder or astonishment. Example, the young man marveled at the sweetness of the watermelon. Nurtured meaning, to care for and encourage the growth or development of something. Example, the watermelon had been nurtured with care until it was ripe. Overwhelmed meaning, to be completely overcome, especially with emotions. Example, he was overwhelmed by the taste of the sweet watermelon.